This is Nose. It's a vibrating penis ring for couples, so you can come together, as in simultaneously. Nose sets the new standard for C-rings, brought to perfection by two curvy extensions, designed with the clit in mind. Two powerful motors with 4-speed settings, and one arousal-building flirt setting. So you can rumble and buzz your way to a clitoral climax without ever using your hands. Unlike other C-rings, Nose isn't circular, because your penis isn't. Targeted pressure gives you longer and stronger erections, and whatever you do, Nose stays in place, even when things get slippery. Intuitive touch controls let you stay in the moment, and stretchy, flexible silicone keep things comfortable and makes it easy to put on and take off, because there are so many ways to play. Nose is rechargeable and waterproof. It's made from body-safe silicone and responsibly manufactured in Germany. Sink your climax with Nose, because two orgasms are more fun than one. Nose, better together. Fun Factory. Be playful.